Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candice, aka Diamond Candy if you are new here, and if you are a loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. Today's post notification shout out goes to Miss Myrna Joseph. I'm so sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, but you show love every single time I post a video, and I really truly appreciate it. So thank you so much for supporting my channel and for supporting me and continuously showing up. You are definitely a real one. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my brows. I let them grow out for a long time, so I'm just going to show you guys how I groom them at home because I don't get them waxed or threaded or anything like that, and also how I fill them in when I'm ready to go out and stuff like that. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. So this is what my eyebrows are looking like. It's been a minute since I got them done, so I'm just going in with my spoolie and brushing them. Then I'm going to brush them upwards so I can get ready to groom them. And to groom them, I'm using these tweezers from the beauty supply store. Very cheap, probably like $1.50 or something like that. And then slowly plucking the hairs, making sure that I'm not disrupting the shape of my eyebrow. So I'll go really slowly, just getting the ones that I know for sure are, you know, disrupting the shape or whatever. And then going further from there, if that makes sense. So just go very slow, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to clean it up so it looks a little bit nicer. And that's good. Then I'm going to brush the hairs downward to get the hairs on top. I have a lot of hairs in between like my hairline and my eyebrow, so I get all those little hairs, and then yeah, that's good on that. And then from the unibrow, I have a bit of a unibrow, so I just go in and pluck all those hairs, and you know, that's easy. And we good. And then I'm going to go in with this Fenty Beauty Brow MVP in dark brown. I really like this pencil, and I just lightly start to line the bottom of my eyebrow, and then the top, just following the shape of my eyebrow and being very careful, brushing it out just to make sure that everything is falling properly. And then once I have it filled in a little bit, I go back in with my tweezers just to get any extra hairs that I missed. And that's a better way to tell which hairs are kind of out of line when you do that. So now I'm gonna go in and conceal with this LA Girl Pro concealer in what is this in? Cool Tan. And then I just, you know, conceal them as I'm showing in the video. I hope this voiceover isn't terrible. And then I just go on the top, you know, whatever. And go back in with the pencil. Don't be afraid to go back in to fix any parts that you missed. And then I just blend out the concealer to my liking. And that really is all that I do. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, drop a comment in the comment box, and also let me know what you want to see next. I am like really trying to get a lot of videos filmed so I can try and stay consistent. Y'all know that that's not my strong point, but I'm trying. So make sure you give me some suggestions below, and I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.